Okay, good evening. This is Delta Victor 1, Kilo Juliet Alpha, and going to show you the just repaired unit, Kenwood Tango Mike 221 Alpha. Previously, this has a very low RX received and with no transmit. Okay, so right now, going to check on the frequency 14518 Kabuto station to check for a radio check for the reception of the signal. Okay. Oh, with the jammer on the side.
Kung tipong hindi nabibitaw para
Okay.
ramdam natin.
Short break.
Kaya kung kayo po ay nakikinig, huwag nyo kaming saanin sa kanya.
Short break. Delta Victor 1 Kilo Juliet Alpha.
Go ahead, DV1KJA, DY1 Papa Lima Tango.
DY1 Papa Lima Tango would like to make some radio check on the far end to test this radio for a good RX. Go ahead.
Oh my gulay, KJA, may crackling.
Yeah. It's my microphone. Actually, this is not the original microphone that we are using right now. Go ahead.
Roger on that. Anyway, the crackling is on the tail end of your transmit. The quality of your audio is 90% loud. Go ahead.
Roger. Any station of Manguten on this frequency? Antipolo? Go ahead.
Yes, sir. This is Manguten.
Oh yeah, Manguten radio check down there, Antipolo. Go ahead.
Q5 audio. Full scale. Working on, sir.
Right now, I'm working with a Kenwood Tango Mic 221 Alpha. But my antenna is on the low ground, 5 feet from the ground. Go ahead. Using a squatter wave antenna.
Anyway, Q5 audio with the black. Your meter is full. Roger.
Roger. So, thank you, Yankee, for the radio check and audio check quality. Roger. So, maraming salamat to all 73s.
You mean to say, KJA, you're going on monitor?
Well, actually, you're now on video and having suffering from my test mic. Hey, look at that. Stacking up my PTT. See? Unless I will make some scratch on the mic. Roger. So, okay. We will be on the video right now. The power. Okay. Currently, it's transmitting on a 30 watts. Okay. I'm going to release the mic. Okay. So right now,
Kenwood, KJA.
Roger. So we'll be on a clear. And thank you very much.
No. You can't say that. Thank you very much. It's better to be.
Okay, right now, just finished some radio check. Actually, I'm having some suffering from my test microphone for a VTT is stacking up too old enough. So going to test the low power right now. So see on, and then I'm going to push it on the high power, and then for the low power, again from the high power. So I think there's no problem with the switch right now. So 7 to all.
Napalayo ata sa may
So again, this is Delta Victor 1 Kilo Juliet Alpha. Good evening and 7 threes. That's all.